Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
When Talib al-Yamani had asked him, "Have you seen your Lord, O Commander of the Faithful?" So he replied, "Peace be upon him, would I worship that which I do not see?" So Talib asked, "How do you see him?" So Imam Ali, peace be upon him, said, "Woe unto you, O Talib! Eyes do not see him with a direct witnessing. But hearts perceive him through the realities of authentic belief. He is known through the evidence that points to him. He is described by indications. He cannot be compared to human beings, and he cannot be perceived by the senses. O Talib, my Lord is near to all things without physically touching them. He is distant from them without being separate. He speaks, but without the need for reflection. He is manifest, but not physically. He has made himself evident, but without allowing direct vision. He is separated, but not through distance. He is close, but without sacrificing his exaltedness. He wills, but without aspiration. He molds, but without the assistance of limbs. He attains, but not through deceit. He is subtle, but cannot be said to be concealed. He is great, but cannot be said to be arrogant. He is grand in his grandeur. He cannot be described as having sizable magnitude. He is majestical in his splendor. He cannot be described as massive. He hears, but cannot be said to use the organ of hearing. He sees, but cannot be attributed with the sense of sight. He is merciful, but cannot be said to have weakness of heart. He was before all things, so that nothing can be said to be before him. And he is after all things, so after is not said of anything after him. He is within all things, without being merged with them, and also without being separated from them. He exists, but without the need to come into existence. He acts without compulsion. He determines, but without the need for movement. Places do not contain him. He is not contained within time. Attributed do not define him with due respect. The need for slumber never affects him. His existence precedes time itself. His being precedes non-existence. His eternalness precedes all beginnings. He was Lord before there was anything to be Lord of. And he was God before there was anything to be God of. He was knowing before there was anything to be known. He was hearing before there was anything to be heard. Faces surrender before his grandeur. Hearts tremble exceedingly out of fear of him. Souls strive desperately to attain his full satisfaction.